Choosing the right car accident lawyer can make the difference between a successful case and a disappointing outcome. There are 5 critical considerations that will help you make the best decision for your situation. First and most importantly, verify the attorney's licensing and bar standing. Every legitimate lawyer must be licensed to practice in your state and maintain good standing with the State Bar Association. Second, look for specific experience in car accident cases. You need an attorney with at least 5 years of experience handling car accident cases specifically, not just general personal injury law. Third, understand the fee structure completely. Most car accident lawyers work on contingency, meaning they only get paid if you win. Typical rates range from 33% before litigation to 40% if the case goes to trial. Fourth, establish clear communication expectations. Your attorney should commit to responding within 24 to 48 hours and provide regular case updates. Poor communication is the top complaint among dissatisfied clients. Finally, confirm the attorney has adequate resources to handle your case effectively. This includes in-house investigation capabilities, a network of medical experts, and the financial resources to advance case costs until settlement. These 5 considerations form the foundation of choosing the right car accident lawyer. Take time to evaluate each factor carefully, as your choice will significantly impact your case outcome and overall experience. The first phase is research. Start by compiling a comprehensive list of potential car accident lawyers from 3 key sources. Next, verify each lawyer's credentials through your state bar website. Check their license status, disciplinary history, and review their online presence, including websites and client reviews. Schedule consultations with 3 to 5 attorneys. During these meetings, ask specific questions about their car accident experience, fee structure, and approach to handling cases like yours. Compare fee structures and evaluate each lawyer's resources and caseload capacity. Most car accident lawyers work on contingency, typically charging 33 to 40% of your settlement. Finally, watch out for major red flags. Avoid lawyers who solicit you immediately after an accident, request upfront payments, lack specific car accident experience, have poor reviews, or pressure you to sign immediately. Following this systematic approach will help you find a qualified car accident lawyer who can effectively represent your interests and maximize your compensation.